Hello guys, welcome to this video where we talk about how to create a report in Salesforce Lightning. So this is the sales console, and if you want to create a report, we have to go to the report tab. Here you can see the recent page. In this we can see the recent report that is opened, and if you want to create a new report, then we have to click on the new report button. So if I click on the new report button, you can see on the left side there are number of objects of the Salesforce. So object is the houses of information, and so for example I want to create a report for the leads. I just want a basic report with the lead, so I will click on the report type leads. It has its own filters. So here you can see that no records are showing, so we have to click on all leads and all time. Then you can see the number of leads we have in the system, their title, and all the fields which is on the page layout or on the objects. So for example, I want a report which is grouped by the lead status. Here you can see that there are no field as lead status, but I know there is a field by the name of lead status, so I'm gonna click on this one and find the lead status. Here you can see that I got the lead status. I click on this, it will add on the column, but I want a grouping by the lead status, so I'm gonna move this up and add a row. So my lead is grouped by the lead status. So if you can see that open not contracted, we have 3 lead, working contacted we have 10 lead, and closed and converted we have 10 lead, and closed and not converted we have 4 leads. We can show the we can see the number of total leads as well, and I can remove the column as well that I don't want in this report. So for example, I don't want street lead owner. I can move the column as well. So I want company account name on the last. I want email here. I don't want title. Yes, and here I can also drag and drop the column as well. So now you can see the company account is here on the 4th column. Also I can filter out this report as well. So for example, we have number of filters here, and if I want that my lead report should show all the leads that is created between 2019 to 2022, so I will select the create date filter and select the range custom. So I will pick a date February 6, 2019, and the end date would be 5th of February 2022, and I am gonna apply this filter, so it will show all the leads created between 2019 to year 2022. So here this is a very simple report that I have created, and we will rename the report name, which is leads grouped by status. So this is the report name, and I will save it. It will take automatic name, and I'm gonna save it. Then save and run. So this is the report that I have created, and here you can see the total records. For example, if I want to add a revenue as well, like how much revenue these leads has created, So I also edit this report anytime I want to edit it, and I'm gonna add the annual revenue as well. If you can see, one of the lead has generated this annual revenue. I can sort this report in ascending as well. We can summarize this as well, like sum, average, max, min, and I will save it and run it. There are a number of functionality that you can see here. We can add a chart as well, so that it will give the visual representation as well. And if I want a different number of charts, we can apply a chart as well. So this is a very clean chart that I want in my report. And yeah, this is a report that we have created. You can see the top chart as well, the report as well, and the total number of leads we have in the system, which is grouped by the status. Also, we can export this report in Excel as well. So to create a report in Excel and to export it, we have to click on this drop down and select export. It will automatically generate Excel file, and in this way the report has been downloaded. And yeah, this is how we can create a report in Salesforce.